This is an announcement from the Prefectural Government regarding COVID-19 vaccination. Why do we need the COVID-19 vaccination? Because the COVID-19 vaccines will keep you from getting COVID-19. It is effective to reduce death and serious cases and to put a stop to the pandemic eventually. The more people getting vaccinated, the less burden on the part of medical workers. Next is the overview of the COVID-19 vaccination manufactured by Pfizer. The Japanese government provides the vaccine free of charge for all people over the age of 16. You will receive the same vaccine twice with an interval of 3 weeks. In principle, you will be able to get your vaccination in the municipality in which you are registered at either a medical facility or a vaccination site in your local municipality. If you are hospitalized, live in a care facility away from home, or have other circumstances beyond your control, you can receive the vaccination in another municipality as an exception. Please note that there are people who should not get the vaccine. As you can see, they include someone who has a fever or an acute illness. If you think you apply any, please consult with your doctor. In addition, there are people who should consult their doctors in advance. They include those who are currently under doctor's care for an illness, had a history of allergic responses to certain drugs, or have other medical conditions listed here. They should also consult with their doctors. Only you can make the decision for yourself whether or not to get vaccinated, so you should get correct information on the vaccine. COVID-19 vaccination is not mandatory. You are requested to give consent to receive the vaccination. Prefectural government kindly asks you not to discriminate against those who chose not to get vaccinated. To make your decision, you need accurate information on the effectiveness and side effects of the vaccination. Side effects that have been reported to date are pain in the area the shot was administered, fever, fatigue, etc. Although extremely rare, cases of acute allergic response, known as anaphylaxis, have been reported as well. For more details about side effects, please visit the Health and Welfare Ministry's website. This slide explains the order in which the vaccinations will be administered. Medical workers receive them first, followed by seniors 65 years or older, and those who have underlying medical conditions, as well as senior care facility workers. Then, everyone else above the age of 16. This is the flow of the vaccination steps. You are requested to wait until your vaccination coupon arrives in the mail. Upon receipt of your coupon, please check the vaccination schedule and how to make a reservation. You should be able to find this information in your local municipality's cohort newsletter or website. Once you make a reservation, please do not forget it. If you have an underlying medical condition, it is recommended that you consult with your doctor beforehand so that your inoculation will go smoothly. Please bring your vaccination coupon and an ID, driver's license, health insurance card, My Number card, etc. to your place of appointment. If you cannot make the appointment, please notify your local municipality. As you can see, telephone hotlines for consultation regarding the COVID-19 vaccination are set up by the municipal, prefectural, and national governments. Call them to ask any questions. Coronavirus hotline for Gunma foreign residents is run by the prefectural government. You can ask questions about side effects and other technical questions. The number is 0570-783-910. Please note that this is not a toll-free number. The hotline runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Nurses will answer your questions in 19 languages listed here. For people who are hearing impaired and have difficulty consulting by phone, they can do so via fax. For details on how to go about it, visit the prefectural government's website. To conclude, the prefectural government is doing its best to make sure all residents can receive their COVID-19 vaccination safely and keep themselves updated. If you want to know more about the vaccination, you have a lot of resources. They are municipal, prefectural, national government's website, social media, and your local municipality's koho or newsletter. URL addresses for the national and prefectural government's websites are mentioned on the overview section of this footage. Thank you for your attention.